western New London County, central Fairfield County, Middlesex County, New Haven County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Terryville to Bethany to Milford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Haven and Meriden around 9:50 p.m. Middletown and Guilford around 9:55 p.m. Cromwell and Portland around 10 p.m. Haddam and Killingworth around 10:05 p.m. Clinton and East Hampton around 10:10 p.m. Colchester and East Haddam around 10:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning for western Suffolk